So you can expose SAP GUI transaction in the Fiori Launchpad to provide users with a unified and modern interface for accessing both new Fiori apps and traditional transactions. Here is a breakdown of the process. First, verify transaction type. Ensure the transaction is compatible with the SAP GUI for HTML. You can check this using transaction SA93. So I go to my hype finder, SAP menu, and I'm looking for SA93. Okay, maintain transaction code. I go to, uh, okay, and I'm looking for my transaction is SSD SSD SN SN display. Okay, SAP GUI for HTML is tick, is good. I note two things. This one, this description I want to keep. Okay, it's good. Then the next step, number two, create a semantic object. For that, use transaction UI2 sem object to create a semantic object for the transaction. This object acts a link between the Fiori Launchpad and the transaction. A semantic object is a technical name that represents a business unit, sales order, purchase order, or serial number. So I call the transaction, I note, okay, I'll show you, I just have to call like this. Okay, define semantic object customer. Good. I call the transaction like this. I click on edit. Yes, continue. Then I just have to new entry. I enter the semantic object that I want to create. My semantic object name and description. So the name in English is research order per serial number. So I click on, I save, I add to the work page request. I approved. I go back, but I never forget to translate because okay, somebody has forgotten to translate in English. It's not good. It's not good. All the time, please translate all the time with all the language defined in the system. So selection, go to translation. For example, for my customer, the French and the English are the both language, but in this case, all the times, okay, translate, translate. Even if you put in the same language, do this, do that. It's really important. That French, okay. This, okay. I enlarge my screen like this, and I proceed like this, proceed like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, and like that. So I click on continue, I save, always save, so everything has been saved correctly. As you can see, data was saved. Okay, I go to my home. So, then, third, use the Fiori Launchpad Designer. Access the Fiori Launchpad Designer, FLP Designer. So, okay. So I call the FLP Designer. I created previously my catalog. So right now, or I check that I click on to be sure that it's assigned to the right transport request. Yes. Yeah, click on the tire, the The wall, no, not the tire, the wall. Then 99 is good. Is that my package? Okay, perfect, great. So I created a catalog if needed. If the catalog tab create a new custom catalog or use an existing one to organize your transaction. Create number 5, create a till in the catalog. Create a new till of the type app launcher static. Link the till of the semantic object you created earlier and provide the till, subtitle, and icon for the title. Okay, so here you are an example. The last one, you identify all the information. Okay, it's good. I go back. Right now, I click on Add Till, App Launcher Static. I had all the information. I'm looking for my object. I remember that SD S It's weird. I do not see that. Uh, ZSD SL. Okay. It's weird that the system is not able to identify. Um, is that ZSD okay? It's monitor. Title. I just have to add the title. The title is Recherche commande par numéro de série. Okay. Subtitled ZSDSN. The keyword ZSDSN. I'm looking for again that an icon. For example, it's not this one. The same. Okay. Okay. I save. So ZSDSN. If I'm looking for, so that the first one reporting manage. If I want to change, for example, okay, it's good. If I change it, for example, I want to add a release monitor. That is good. I said. So I've got my use semantic object navigation. Okay, ZSDSN. I've got the action, parameters, the subtitle, the keywords. So it's good. Then the next step is create a target mapping. Create a target mapping to define how the till will launch the transaction. Specify the transaction code and any necessary parameters. So I click on target mapping, create target mapping. Then again, it's not application type, is a GUI transaction. The title, again, we put the name of the title, the transaction, ZSD serial number, local, the semantic object, ZSD, SN, and why I don't see that, ZSD, SN, and the action is monitor. Desktop, tablet, phone, so I save. So it's good. If I want to change also, you can also, for example, change something. If I want to change the configuration, I just have, for example, to go here. And for example, I want to change to monitor. I double click and save. Step 6, create, no, step 6 is create a target mapping. Number 7, create a group to which the till will be assigned. Groups are used to organize tills in the Launchpad, but you can use also I created previously a group. For example, I want to add to the Z group IRC, show a till. I click on add till. I just have to click on add till recherche par numéro de compte série, add it successfully. Good. And everything is okay, has been added. So the next step, assign the group to a role. So for that, it's very simple. I call the app finder. I go to my menu, submenu, submenu, just wait, and I call the PFCG, PFCG, PFCG to maintain role maintenance. Okay. I created previously a role to add all this kind of transaction. ZRSC. I click on change. I go to my menu and I click on SAP Fiori Launchpad catalog. If I go here, Launchpad catalog, Z catalog RRC, continue. Okay, I say it's good. I remove this line. No, 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 no. H catalog, Z cat, like Z, 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 Z. Yes. Continue. I've got my two transaction. Okay. I go to the authorization to check if I have something to update. Yep. I generate. I have a look to authorization T code. And I've got my two T code, so it's good. I go back, I have a look, for example, if I want to add Fabrice FSC, for example. Okay, it's good. User comparison, yep. Okay, it's good. I save, and the last is test in the Fiori Launchpad. Open the Fiori Launchpad and verify that the till appears and launch the transaction correctly. So it's very simple. Okay, I just to refresh my page. I click on App Finder and I'm looking for my catalog. Say cat ARC. Just wait that everything is refreshed correctly. Say cat ARC. That cat. How? Where? Try again. Okay. Chasing. Customer RRC. Perhaps I'm just looking for RRC. My catalog is. It's weird. I just only see the catalog IRC. I do not see. What happens? Perhaps it's not refreshed correctly. It's so weird. I'm sure that I added correctly all these things. Okay. That is the RC. That cat RC. So that's M. Yeah. Catalog ARC. I see research. Okay. I click on, and that sounds good. Yes, great.